Today we're gonna be unboxing Cocktail Courier's Redbull Tropical Tequila Kit.
Cocktail Courier is a company that offers a variety of cocktail kits that they deliver straight to your door. This came straight to my door.
We need to find out what's in it.
How do you open?
I think it's actually supposed to be...
It says this side up.
It says this side up, yeah.
Woo! Oh, how cute!
Cocktail Courier works together with incredibly talented and passionate bartenders to deliver you this recipe.
Exclusively available in a select number of cities, you're part of the world's most intimate bar scene. Wow, we made it.
So it comes with a little recipe card. It has a cute little picture of the cocktail that we're gonna be making today. And then it tells us the ingredients, the instructions, and the tools we're gonna be needing. So go ahead, girl, get all the stuff out.
This is exciting. It feels like a party when you open it. So we've got some produce. Wow, wow, wow. Ooh, tropical Red Bull. This is actually our favorite Red Bull.
Oh, 4?
It came with 4. Came with 3 limes.
I'm excited. This is like fresh fruit.
Okay, next up. I thought maybe you would have to BYOB, but they provide you alcohol. That's pretty dope. And that's everything. That's everything that's in here. Good, there's more of this. You want some more of this?
No, I'm good.
So this recipe card says to make 1 cocktail, and we can make a total of 4 cocktails with the kit. That's a decent amount of cocktails. That's like a date night.
Or, a really fun night by yourself.
You gonna be awake.
Up all night, making TikToks. So the required tools that we're gonna need today are a jigger, a citrus juicer, a shaker, a fine mesh strainer, a knife, and a highball glass.
I have all of those things. Hold, please.
Perfect. So step 1, chill a highball glass by placing it in the fridge, freezer, or by filling it with ice water and setting it aside for 5 minutes.
Okay.
We could do that.
That's easy.
Wow, they're very detailed. I'm very impressed.
So step 2 and 3 tell you to get your garnishes ready, which in this case are lime wedges. It says to measure out all your ingredients except for the yellow edition Red Bull. And why don't you add the yellow edition Red Bull to your tin? Because it's carbonated. And if you shake a carbonated anything,
explosion
in your face.
You don't want it.
Bam, baby.
Hey, we got our chilled glassware with our ice here, ready to go.
So it says to fill this to the top with your yellow Red Bull, and then it says to serve it with the can of Red Bull, which is in Red Bull world is called a perfect serve. Always do this because you never know when the Red Bull people are around. They will give you a gift card.
I have actually gotten a gift card from them. So. Boop. Cheers, girl.
Cheers.
Oh wow, that's good.
That is yummy.
I love yellow Red Bull.
Yellow Red Bull came through in this cocktail. So delicious.
And then that fresh orange juice. I like it. I like it a lot.
And the tequila is pretty good. I've never tried that brand before, but I did look it up and it did have 4.8 stars on totalwine.com.
That's pretty good.
It tastes good.
It's refreshing.
A+.
Yeah.
What do we think about the Cocktail Courier kit?
I thought it was really great. It was very detailed, step by step, even chill the glass to all the way to the garnish. Everything was very detailed. If you're not a bartender, I feel like the detailed directions are a must.
Yeah.
Good job, guys.
They made it easy for you guys.
Cannot fail.
Yeah.
It's literally step by step. A 5-year-old can do it, but hopefully she's not because that would be illegal.
Yeah. I really like this idea. I think it's a really great concept. Their packages do start at $30.
$30 to $111. You could be bougie, and buy them $111 ones with the nice liquor.
The $111 box, it comes with a bottle of Remy Martin 1738. I'm like, hey, what's up? Hello. See your pretty ass soon as you came in the door.
Hey, yo.
That used to be my jam.
And a Cointreau, right?
Yeah, it comes with 2 bottles actually. You can make yourself a nice sidecar with that package. That's the bougie package though. You know, you don't have to be that bougie.
It's a special night, you know, for you and your lady or whatever.
Yeah, I think it makes like 8 cocktails, that package too. But
It's gonna be a good night.
their packages do, again, they start at $30, so that's very affordable.
There's so many awesome cocktails on there. If somebody doesn't get me this freaking birthday cocktail martini for my birthday, I am gonna be very upset.
I'm gonna take that as a hint. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
And if you think that thirsty bartenders should have their own kit, comment below.